Venture into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence with us, where innovation knows no bounds. We're igniting the AI cosmos by unveiling the top 10 mind-blowing developments propelling this futuristic frontier.
First up, let's talk numbers. According to Grand View Research, the global AI market is already a whopping $136.6 billion and is predicted to skyrocket to an astonishing $1.81 trillion by 2030. That's an exponential leap, and the data speaks volumes about the increasing influence of AI in our lives.
Analyzing the statistics is crucial to understanding AI's trajectory. Statista predicts the AI software market will generate $126 billion by 2025. Gartner reports a 270% increase in businesses adopting AI in the last 4 years, with 37% currently leveraging AI in some capacity.
Now, let's shift our focus to the cutting-edge developments in AI. Moonpreneur has identified 10 significant advancements shaping the landscape.
Starting with GPT-3, OpenAI's masterpiece. With its 175 billion parameters, it's setting new standards in natural language processing. However, we can't ignore concerns about biases in its output due to extensive training data. Computer vision, our second development, is revolutionizing industries. From manufacturing to virtual reality, it's enhancing object detection and emotion recognition. We're witnessing the rise of robots with human-level visual interpretation.
In healthcare, AI's impact is monumental, from personalized treatment plans to advanced medical imaging. Reinforcement learning is training AI agents through rewards or punishments, while explainable AI addresses transparency issues. Transfer learning efficiently utilizes knowledge gained in one domain to solve problems in another. AI-assisted creativity opens new avenues for artistic expression, and virtual agents provide interactive support. Biometrics enhances security with unique traits, and AI-optimized hardware accelerates machine learning applications.
The future of AI. The future of AI is both thrilling and challenging. As AI-assisted creativity expands, responsible implementation becomes crucial. Virtual agents are transforming education, and biometrics is redefining security. AI-optimized hardware, with GPUs and TPUs leading the way, is propelling us into a new era of computational power.
In conclusion, the AI landscape is vast and ever-evolving. Moonpreneur is committed to preparing the next generation for this technological revolution through our STEM programs. Remember, staying informed is key to navigating this dynamic landscape and shaping a future where AI serves humanity responsibly. That wraps up our exploration of the AI revolution. If you're as fascinated as we are, don't forget to register for our free 60-minute robotics workshop. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's embark on this exciting journey into the future together. This is Moonpreneur, signing off.